What's up guys, welcome back to Horsepower and Pizza. My name is Bailey. Today I'm going to try to tint the E36 headlights all by myself. Where I live in the state of Pennsylvania, tinted headlights and colored headlights are illegal. However, because the E36 is my drift car and it's not going to be driven on the street, it doesn't matter. That rule goes out the window. Now I have very minimal experience with vinyl wrapping. Tint is a little easier, I've heard from some accounts, and then I've also heard others say that it's harder. So we're gonna figure this out. I picked up a roll of this Chameleon Tint. It's like green blue on eBay. I got like 16 feet of it. Hopefully I don't need all of it. Really cheap, so if I have to buy more, I will. I have scissors. I don't have a squeegee, so I just have an expired Sam's Club membership card. It'll work. This is soapy water, and then of course I have the headlight from the E36. I already went ahead and popped the turn signal corner off of it. Now I have no shame in admitting that I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're gonna learn this together, I guess. The only thing I'm really worried about with these is these little bump outs that come out. I don't know what purpose they serve, if they serve a purpose at all. I don't know, I'm just worried about wrapping over that. The woman at AutoZone said just kind of cut a slit at the top so you can peel the film one side to the other. She said start in the middle of the headlight and work your way out to either end, because then you're not gonna fight yourself with bubbles and stuff coming the whole way across and having to reposition everything. She used to do tint and vinyl. So I'm just gonna trust what she has to say, and you and I are gonna figure this out together. I also forgot to mention that you're going to want a heat gun or a hairdryer of some sort to help this stretch. I'll try to keep you guys updated as best as I can, but please enjoy the time lapse. I'm going to start, I cut a slit up here, which is going to go up here at the top of the headlight, off the edge somewhere. That's just so I have a spot to peel the backing to either side. I'm going to peel that and spray it down with some of this. You guys will see the finished product. So here's the first half of it. It's not perfect, unfortunately. All of this stuff's gonna get trimmed up, and when the turn signal goes on here, it's gonna hide all of the crappy edge on there. This is all gonna be down against the bash bar, and then up top, that's all gonna be under the hood. Right now, I'm just gonna flip this back, peel this film off this side and spray this down, and do this side of it. I had to cut out around those little standout things. It doesn't look as clean as it could, unfortunately. So I'm actually going to consider redoing this, but I'm going to complete it just for the experience at this point. So I'm not sure how well the camera is going to pick this up. Obviously there's a little bit of bubbling here by this little bump out thing. Personally, the perfectionist in me thinks that this could look a lot better. There's a couple small bubbles and stuff, but for what it's for, I'm going to run with this one for now. I'm going to wrap the other one too, and then at some point I might go back and redo them so they look a little nicer, or have one of my friends that has more experience with it do them. Overall, for a first attempt, I don't think it looks that bad. And for what it's for, I'm not that worried about it. Now, if it was on my 435, I think I would go back and redo it and make it look a little nicer. But like I said, that would be illegal because that is a street car. That being said, I do still have the 435. I need to do an update on that because it got hit last summer and then it got fixed, and then I just haven't really done much with it since. But I have a boatload of parts to go on that too, so there's a lot of 435 content coming too. As usual, go look us up on Instagram, at Horsepower Pizza. There's a podcast on iTunes and Spotify. Everything for that is linked down below. If you haven't already, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and please consider subscribing. I appreciate it more than you guys know. Until next Thursday, peace out, build it for you.